During collision checking in NCSimul, it is now easier than ever to view the features causing an issue. If you want NCSimul to automatically stop the machine when it encounters a collision, turn on the brake option simulation mode. Ensure that the alarms are active and that you are checking for collisions with all desired items. Activate the intermediate stocks to save rest material per tool sequence and start the simulation to allow NCSimul to begin to remove material. Once flagged, NCSimul will display several helpful informational items automatically. In the information window, it will tell you the type of motion, rapid motion and material, the two features that collided to cause the collision, the tool and the fixture, the fact that the simulation is now paused, and by clicking on the error message, it will highlight the problem line in the G-code and make everything transparent except the two offending models circling the location in red. This makes it extremely easy to see where the program went awry, both on the machine and in the code. You can make the necessary change with the Quick Edit tool directly from the program window, allow NCSimul to rescan the code for possible syntax errors as a result, and then resume the simulation from the most recent tool sequence where the G-code remains unchanged. With this simple example, we have seen simulation types with conditional stops, collision detection and location, automatic model visualization, quick G-code editing, syntax checking, retention of rest material, and resimulation, all in a few simple clicks.